Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about harmony in a family. What is family? Family is a basic unit or building block of any human organization. And we know that the major issue in a family is the relationship. So, how that relationship should be? It should be fulfilled completely. So, any relationship in a family has to be fulfilled. There are four aspects to understand about relationship. That is relationship between oneself and the other self, and there are feelings in relationship in oneself or the other, and these feelings can be recognized and they are definite in nature. Their fulfillment and evaluation leads to mutual happiness. So, what is this relationship related to? So, we are all related with each other, and whether we understand it or not, the relationship is very important within a family. So, of course, we know it that is any relationship is between one human and the other human being. So, we very clearly know that it is not between the body of one human and the other human, it is only between the self of one human and the other human. So, physical facility, what is required, cannot fulfill the relationship. Only by getting an ice cream, a packet full of chocolates, or a bunch of bananas will not satisfy the self of any person. So the self has to be satisfied by values like respect, trust, and all these things. So we will learn about what are all the different nine feelings. See, there are nine different feelings. We have trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, glory, gratitude, and love. So here I have mentioned like fundamental value as the trust. The reason is, if we have trust between the members in a family, there will be a good relationship between the members in a family. So that's why we have mentioned it as the fundamental value, and love as the complete value. The reason is, if we attain all the other eight values, we will obviously make love between the members in a family. So if we have the other values, we will have love. That's why we have mentioned it as the complete value. So the next question arises is whether these feelings are naturally acceptable to you. I say that yes, it is naturally acceptable for me. But are these values naturally acceptable to other, to everyone? Is it okay? So if we ask this question, there will be a question mark. We have to think and explore by ourselves. So first of all, what is this naturally acceptable? See, naturally acceptable is nothing but, see, if I ask you a question whether you need trust, whether somebody want to trust you, whether you need guidance from anybody, whether you want somebody to respect you, whether you need somebody to care you, whether you want somebody to love you, yes, I say it is yes. So if I say yes, these feelings, we everybody what is acceptable is called as naturally acceptable. See, if I accept it, I understand it, then I have the feeling of relationship. If I have the same feelings for others, then there will be evaluation, and that will lead to happiness in me, and it will be happiness between others also. So that will be the complete fulfillment. If it is not naturally acceptable by me for others, will it give me happy? No. The same way, if others doesn't accept these values for me, that will also not give me happiness. So that will make me unhappy, and there will be contradiction, and that will lead to only disappointment and opposition. So always fulfillment, evaluation, acceptance leads to complete happiness for myself as well as for others. So we should have right evaluation. So whether I have the feelings or not, whether I have expressed these feelings, whether I have reached to others or not, whether the result is mutual happiness or not. So we should be clear about it. So in this topic, we have seen that what is relationship, where it exhibits between self, oneself and the other, for one self for the others, and the feelings are nine, and the fulfillment evaluation is necessary always. So we will stop with this, and we will continue with the next lecture. Thank you.